Hello friends, welcome again to GIS ePathshala. So today we are going to start our exercise number 2.1. So in exercise 2.1, question number 1, solve. Solve the following. So in these all are the fraction. So how to solve the fraction with the natural numbers. So let me start solving. So first one is 2 minus 3 upon 5. Here 3 upon 5 is the fraction and 2 is only integer, natural number. When nothing is 2 in the denominator, there is no denominator of 2. So we can say that if there is no denominator, so 1 will be there. So we can write down 2 upon 1. Okay friends, so we can write down like this. Now, if we want to solve this subtraction, so we want both the denominators should be same. So let me do both the denominators same. So the 1 and 5. So what we have to do here, 5 is there. So here also we want 5. So multiply this 1 with 5. 1 multiplied by 5. Whatever we are doing with the denominator, same operation we have to do with the numerator. So यहाँ पे हम 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो न्यूमरेटर ऑल्सो 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो लेट मी डू द डिनोमिनेटर सेम. 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 अपॉन 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 माइनस 3 बाय 5. सो फ्रेंड्स, 2 होल्स आर 10, 2 5s are 10 and 1 5s are 5 minus 3 upon 5. Now we can say that here both the denominators are same, 5 5. So we can take the denominator as a common. So we can write down like that 5 and the numerator 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So answer is 7 upon 5. So friends, this is our answer. Also it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. So numerator is bigger, so it is improper fraction. So also we can convert it into the mixed fraction. So how can we convert it? So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. It is a answer in mixed fraction. So now let me see question number 2. So question number 2 is 4 plus 7 upon 8. So here in the denominator of 4 nothing is there, so 1 should be there. So 4 upon 1. So in place of 1 we want here 8 to become the denominator same. दोनों का denominator same करने के लिए हमें 4 के denominator में चाहिए 8, but here 4 के denominator में 1 है. So 1 multiply by 8 and also the numerator 4 multiply by 8. So 4 8s are 32 upon 8. 32 upon 8 plus 7 upon 8, you will get the answer. So this sum you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 3, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. दोनों denominator दिए हुए हैं. Both the denominator are given over here. So what we have to do to become the denominator same, we have to find the LCM of both the denominator. Okay, so let me find LCM. LCM of 5 and 7. So 5 कौन से टेबल में आता है? कोई भी टेबल में नहीं. So डायरेक्ट we can put here 5 and 7 भी कोई भी टेबल में नहीं आता. So 5 ones are 5, 7 as it is. Now 7 over here 1 1. So LCM equal to 5 multiplied by 7, 35. So now friends, we got the LCM here 35. So we got here 35 as a LCM. Now in the both the denominator, in the both the fractions, in the denominator we want 35. So 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. So here we want 35. So multiply the both numerator and denominator with 7, because we know that 5 7s are 35. So if we want here 35, so multiply this with 7. So 5 multiplied by 7 or same operation we have to do it with the numerator. And here we want 35, so 7 is present over here. So 7 multiplied by 5 is 35, right? So 7 multiplied by 5, so same operation we have to do with the numerator. So 7 multiplied by 5 and the numerator 2 multiplied by 5. Now let we solve this. 7 3s are 21 and denominator 7 5s are 35 is there, plus 2 5s are 10 and 7 5s are 35. So now both the denominators are same now, so we can take the denominator common. And upside 21 plus 10. Now simply do the addition of the numerator. 21 plus 10, 1 plus 0 1 and 2 plus 1 it's a 3. So 31 upon 35. It is a proper fraction. So we cannot convert it into the mixed fraction. So this is our answer. So question number 3 is finished over here. Now let me move towards the question number 4. So question number 4 is 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 50. Here the denominators are 11 and 50. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to find the LCM of 11 and 50. So friends, 11 and 50, find the LCM and make the denominator same, and then you perform the subtraction and you will get the answer. So this sum you have to do it by yourself. Now let me move towards the question number 5. So question number 5 is that 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. So here 3 fractions are there. We have to do the addition of 3 fractions. So the denominator of the all are different. Denominator of first fraction is 10, here denominator is 5 and here denominator is 2. So first of all we have to do the all denominators same. So find out the LCM of all the denominator. LCM of 10, 5 and 2. 10, 5, 2. So first of all let me multiply with 2. So 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Now 5, 5 and 1. So let me divide it by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 as it is. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. So it's a 10. So we got LCM 10. So now in all the fraction we want denominator as a 10. So let me start. 7 upon 10, here already 10 is present over here, plus 2 upon 5. In the denominator here 5 is there, but we want in the denominator 10. So 5 multiplied by 2, 10. So multiply by 2, upside same operation, multiply by 2, plus 3 by 2. Here 2 is there, but here we want 10. So multiply this 2 with 5. 2 multiplied by 5 and upside same operation, 3 multiplied by 5. Now simplify this. 7 upon 10 plus 2 2s are 4 upon 10 plus 5 3s are 15 upon 10. Now all the denominators are same. So write down the denominator as a common and upside 7 plus 4 plus 15. If you add these all numbers and you will get the answer. So 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 plus 15 upon 10. So here we got the answer 26 upon 10. So it is a improper fraction. So you can convert it into the mixed fraction. So 10 2s are 20 or 20 plus 6. So 26. 10 2s are 20. 20 plus 6 it's 26. So here it is our answer. Now let me see question number 7. So question number 7 is that. Question number 6. So question number 6, 2 integer 2 by 3 is mixed fraction plus 3 integer 1 by 2. It is also the mixed fraction. So mixed fraction, 2 mixed fractions are given and we have to do the addition of these 2 mixed fractions. So first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So let me convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 3 is there. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So 8 upon 3 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 2. Now same, find the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2. 2, 3 as it is, 2 ones are 2, 3, 1, 1. So LCM is equal to 6. So in the both the denominator we want 6. So let me solve 8 upon 3. Here in the denominator 3 is there, so 3 multiplied by 2, so we will get 6. So both numerator and denominator multiply with 2 plus 7 upon 2. So here 2 is there, and but we want here 6. So multiply 2 multiplied by 3, and upside also we multiply it by 3. Now 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6, plus 7 3s are 21, and 3 2s are 6. Now friends, both the denominators are same now. So take the denominator common, 6, and upside 16 plus 21. So if you add these two, 6 plus 1 7, and 2 plus 1 3, 37 upon 6. Now convert it into the mixed fraction. 6 6 are 36 plus 1. It is our answer. So this way we can do the addition, subtraction of the mixed fraction, proper fraction or improper fraction. Now sum number 7, 8 integer 1 upon 2 minus 3 integer 5 upon 2. So this subtraction you have to do it by yourself in the homework. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.